Tech Boner. Get excited about tech.
Hey Tech Boners, coming back to you with another video. In this particular video, I'm featuring the Bestek 8AC outlet surge protected power strip with USB ports. This particular device, it is a USB and an AC power strip, but it has a little style to it. It has photosensitive induction, a USB intelligent indication, safety socket door, wireless charging, certified plug, surge protection, overcurrent protection, short circuit protection, and overload protection. This is going to be an unboxing and a quick look. So let's see what we have inside the box. Okay, what comes inside the box? We have a couple of pamphlets showing the Bestek way to hook it up. We don't need that. And some instructions. The instructions should be quite simple. We don't need that. Let's get straight to what we want to get into. Wow. Now this is looking nice. Woo, okay. Let's see. Now, of course, you know, people get regular power strips, but if you want to do things in style and take up less room, this is the way to go. You can sit this on your desk, by your bed. And it looks really nice, futuristic, I may add. Okay, what we're looking at first, as you can see, we have 3 USB ports on this side, another 3 USB ports on this side, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 AC power outlets. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get this thing plugged in. I'm gonna see how many devices this can charge. I'm gonna also see if this baby right here, I'll let you know what that is when the time comes, but I'll be right back. And I'm gonna get some things to plug into it. Okay, I'm back. So I got several devices. We'll start with the OnePlus 6. And as you can see, let's see. There go the LED light. I'm gonna take a closer look. See, it's red, that's charging, so that's 1. What do we have next? Okay, let me see what we can get here. Let's try a fire pad. As you can see right there, the indicator light is charging. That's device number 2. Let's find something else. I got several things to try, so let's see. Okay, what can we try next? And this is all due to the AC. Now this is a 22 milliamp portable charger. As you can see from the indicator light, that's charging. Set that to the side. We have a Google Home Hub. Now this plugged in, we should see that pop up. That's charging. I'll put that aside and let it boot up. You'll see it boot up. It'll probably make a sound later. What do we have next? Let's see what we can find. Let's see. Let's try the USB-C port. This is the Smartwatch, the LG Urbane Watch 2. 2 LTE, and that's charging. Set that aside. Let's try another USB port. Let's see what I can find. We have another smartwatch, the Huawei Watch 2, as you can see, charging. Let's find a spot for that. Set this over here. Make sure it's still charging. Okay, let's see. Let's go for another USB. No, here go the iPad. Let's try the iPad. You can see the iPad. Let's get this thing in here. The indicator light, and it's charging. Set that to the side. Let's see what else we can find. Okay. I know I have something else. Let me see. Okay, let's try a Google Home Mini. There go the indicator light, and that's charging. That'll work. Let me set this to the side. Okay. What else can I use? Let's see, let's see, let's see. Alright, let's try some wireless Bluetooth earbuds. These are from OnePlus. Let me straighten this out. And now that we got that together, where's the indicator light? There go the indicator light. Is red. That's charging. Alrighty. I think I can find one more thing. Let's see. This is a lot of ports. A lot of charging. I know it's a mess right now. Okay. Let's see if we have another phone. Let's try the Google Pixel, the original. As you can see, charging rapidly, so it supports the fast charging. That'll work. Okay, let's see. I think I have one more thing. Alright, so let's try another phone, the Google Pixel XL2, and charging rapidly.
Here are the top results. The first.
Okay. And, okay, what else do we have? Let's try one more thing. Let's see. And the piece de resistance, and we have wireless charging in the Galaxy S7. Let's see if we get an indication. Charging wirelessly, so this will work. This is going to be a nice addition to my bedside. You know, it looks a little messy right now, but if you do all your wires correctly, you'll have a nice setup. And we got about 12 or 13 devices charging, and that'll work really nice. Now let's just take a closer look at the Bestek charger. So there you have it, the Bestek charger. Like I said, it has 6 USBs, 8 standard outlets. The design is beautiful, the futuristic style. It fits in with any decor, and it's functional. You can sit this in your living room, in your family room, and it just can't be beat. Also, if your power go out, that's a reset button. We have LED lights. If you press these buttons, it cuts off the power below. If you press this button, it cuts off the power above. And you know, I can't wait until the summertime. Get an extension cord, take this in the backyard, have enough outlets for all your guests to charge their phones. I could sit here and name all the use cases, but I don't have enough time. But one of my favorite functions is the wireless charging. This comes with wireless charging in the middle of the night. You don't have to mess with your wires. Just sit it on top, bong, charging. So there you have it. This is the Bestek charger. You can find this on Amazon for $49.99. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I believe it deserved a tech boner. Leave a comment and let me know if it deserves a tech boner. It comes in several colors also. It comes with an all black and with white, but it doesn't have the blue accents. I really like this with the blue accents. So leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, and be blessed and have a good day. Thank you.